In front of me is Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by launching one of your apps in the background and clicking on the icon of it at the top. Then select split screen and click on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. If you want to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way down or all the way up and tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!